Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for you. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to withdraw USDT from Delta Exchange in 2025. If you're holding USDT and ready to move it to your wallet, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Delta Exchange account. If you haven't already, head to the Delta website or app and enter your credentials. For added security, enable two-factor authentication. It's a game changer in 2025's crypto world. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. This is usually found in the main dashboard or under your profile menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it for withdrawal. Next, look for the Withdraw button. It might prompt you to enter the withdrawal address. Double-check this. Paste your external wallet address where you want the USDT to go. Remember, in 2025, most exchanges like Delta use advanced blockchain networks, so ensure your address is compatible with USDT, like on Ethereum or Tron. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and transaction fees, which Delta clearly displays. These fees can vary, so it's smart to withdraw a bit more to cover costs. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify via email, SMS, or your 2FA app. After verification, sit tight while the transaction processes. Delta Exchange is known for its fast withdrawals, but it could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your external wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. And that's it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn your USDT from Delta Exchange. Always prioritize security, never share your keys, and keep an eye on market trends. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.